Welcome to Valencia!
First breakfast. So today we are visiting Valencia, one-day tour. We have 8 places to visit. So this is our plan. 6 stops. And now we are at Plaça de la Mare de Déu. And we start here. And this is Anna. Plaza de la Virgen. Catedral de Valencia. Here some market next to Cathedral. The name of this place is Plaza de la Reina. In Valencia it's very popular to collect Pokemons. Do you want to catch Pikachu?
Yay!
This is one of the recommended breakfast places.
So this is the central market of Valencia, quite famous and popular. Unfortunately we can't visit it today because it's Sunday, but usually it's open from 9 until 3 every single day except for Sunday.
We are walking to the marina, to the harbor from the old town. So this
Quite
is
a way.
This is part of our expedition. Yeah, and then after that we will walk back here, and we hope that we'll see some really cool stuff on our way. Anna is so excited about the city that she's already calling her sister to tell her to come and live here. Hi Paula. You can have a break soon.
Really cool. How's it called? Those trees are just so beautiful. I don't know which kind of trees those are. Anybody knows? Let us know. But they're so beautiful.
So seems that Valencia, it's not that busy city. Today is actually Sunday, so I don't know how is it during the week, but I don't know, it seems to be really calm. It has 800,000 people living here. I don't know, it looks like a good city to live in. And also seems that everything is in the walking distance. So Valencia, they have the biggest oceanarium in Europe, we want to visit, but not today. We don't have enough time, and we are thinking maybe
But-
when the weather is
rainy, because we were always thinking about what to do when it's rainy, and we'll just go there when it's like a rainy Sunday, and I can't wait actually to do it already.
and it takes half a day. They said online, and now we are walking to the harbor. It's actually over 1 hour walk, but you can take a metro. We decided to walk to explore a little more the city.
Oh, look.
Small stop for a drink. "28 minutes walk to the harbor." But we are in the park. So what do you think about Valencia?
It's beautiful, really. It's a beautiful city. Everything here is so charming, so historical, and also all the plants and the architecture and everything, it fits so nicely together. The people are very nice, friendly. There's so many small bistros, bistrorias, how they are called. It's really nice.
Nice. Would you like to live here?
Live permanently, maybe no. I would like to live in a smaller city, but definitely in the area here. It's a nice area to just come visit. Also, like now today, for example.
Like we can always drive here and spend a day in the city.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's perfect
And
for
now,
that.
and now we go to the
Reina.
sea. Oh wow! Star Wars. The beach is huge. How far do you think it is?
I would say 300 meters probably until the water.
This is so far. Did they make it to the middle of the earth? No. The beach is crazy big. Now we have to walk really far to the promenade so we can rest in one of the small bars, restaurants in there.
Look at this house. It's just like a tree house in the middle of the...
Museum of Technical Museum, and then this direction is Oceanarium. Yes? Is it true?
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe.